Hey guys, if you're a business owner, email is probably quite a time-consuming part of your day. So here I've just built this N8n automation that should help you save time on your emails. I'll just give you a quick demonstration of how it works. So essentially I'm going to email myself just a simple, I'm having issues relating to troubleshooting. And then let me run the workflow. So this automation recognizes it's an issue relating to troubleshooting. It labels let me move that out of the way. It labels it as a troubleshooting issue, and it creates a draft, as you can see here, that you can then edit and send out. So let me just take you through how it works. So you've got your Gmail trigger here. You need to connect to Google Cloud. It takes a few minutes, but the N8n documentation will help you do that. We have it set so when it's active, every minute it'll be checking for new emails. And then we're using a text classifier here that uses OpenAI to essentially classify the email. It classifies it either into troubleshooting or business inquiries, but you can have as many categories as you want. Then obviously it's recognized this one as troubleshooting. So it gives it the troubleshooting label, as I showed you earlier. And then here we've got ChatGPT running 4.0 that just says draft an appropriate response to the following email. And then we're just giving it the content of the email. And then here it is. Here's the response that it deems appropriate to that email. And then, we've just got it to create it as a draft because obviously we need to make edits to it before we send it off. But then Gmail just takes the content of the response, the OpenAI response, and just chucks it into the email. And also, we've also taken here who that email is from, so it goes to them. And so all we have to do is just make some edits and send it out. And if it's a business inquiry instead, it's the exact same. It's just being labeled as a business inquiry instead, and the subject is business inquiry instead of troubleshooting. So let me show you that. So if I just email myself. You don't actually have to use the words business inquiry in the email. ChatGPT is pretty good at sort of working out the context of the email, exactly what's being said. But let me just run that. Recognizes it's a business inquiry, labels it, and then here we should have a draft business inquiry, and then we just need to make a few changes. But hopefully that is helpful. That'll help you start saving some time with email in your business. So thank you very much for watching.